Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download the walking map of a particular National Trust area on the application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should either select a place from the map, from the popular places on the list section, or you should either type in the name of that place into the search bar at the top of the screen. Now scroll down till you find this trails section. As you can see, there's the walking map of this particular place. You can download it by tapping on the download button. So now it has been downloaded. So if you tap on it, you are going to see the Lake District National Park's walking map. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.